When you are ready to buy, just check the description below. Hit the Show More button to see the complete list for all products with the best offers we found. And don't forget to subscribe.
The HYPERX QUADCAST is a full-featured standalone condenser mic. This quick start guide will help you get set up and started. The QUADCAST has 4 selectable polar patterns: stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. Each of these patterns will change the direction from where the sound is picked up. If you're recording something with vocals or instruments that you want to output in 2-channel stereo, then select the stereo setting. While in this mode, the QUADCAST will record audio as a stereo image, so you can easily record stereo audio without needing a second microphone. Omnidirectional is the pattern to select if you want to record all the sound in the entire room. This is useful in settings like a conference call or a multi-person podcast. Cardioid is the best setting for a single audio source directly in front of the microphone. This setting would be used for things like single-person streaming and voiceovers, like this one. If you're recording a face-to-face interview, the bidirectional pattern will be the setting you want to use, since it captures sound from the front and back. The QUADCAST has a convenient tap-to-mute sensor. Simply tap the top of the mic to mute it. The LED indicator makes it easy to tell whether you're muted. If the LED indicator is lit, the mic is active. If it's off, the mic is muted. Knowing your mic status will help prevent stream fails and other broadcast accidents. If you're coming in too soft or too loud, you can adjust the mic sensitivity on the QUADCAST by adjusting the gain. To adjust the gain on the QUADCAST, use the dial located at the bottom of the microphone. You can connect a headset to monitor your microphone output. Just plug a headset into the back of the QUADCAST and you can hear what is being captured. The QUADCAST comes with a 3/8 and 5/8 inch adapter that fits most mic arms. Remove the screw connecting the mic to the stand. Attach the mount adapter, and the QUADCAST and its built-in shock mount can now be attached to the boom arm. For additional support, visit us at hyperxgaming.com/support.
What's up everybody, Adam here. Now we all know how important sound is in gaming. And if you play as much as we do, you know you're going to want a comfortable headset that you can wear all day. The sound quality should be epic and immersive, and your callout should be heard crystal clear the first time. So we set out to build a headset that completely dominates while gaming at home, on the go, or at the highest tournament level. Designed to last forever and to feel great the entire time. And that's probably my favorite thing about VOLD Pro, is just how comfortable they are. These plush, microfiber, mesh, fabric, and memory foam ear cups are extremely breathable and feel lighter than air. Supporting the ultra soft ear cups is VOLD's proven design, built with the highest grade materials such as metal cantilevered yokes and premium PA6 glass fiber infused plastics. Inside, we've packed 50mm custom tuned drivers which produce immersive Dolby 7.1 surround sound. And to top it all off, let's talk about the microphone. Our engineering team nailed it. The VOID Pro features a unidirectional microphone that reduces ambient noise for enhanced voice quality. We've put the microphone's sound quality through vigorous testing to make sure it passed official Discord certification with flying colors. VOID Pro works seamlessly with Q2 to bring you a ton of additional features. For example, you can fine-tune EQ profiles to adapt to your game, or if you want some visual customization, VOID Pro syncs across all your Corsair devices with Q. VOID Pro comes in several different models: VOID Pro USB, VOID Pro Surround, which is compatible for mobile and console gaming, and VOID Pro Wireless, which boasts a 40-foot range and up to 16 hours of battery life. If you want to find out more information, head on over to Corsair.com.